Welcome back to my channel Radha Maths Classes. Today I'm going to explain you question number 15 from exercise 6.3, ratio and proportion, and the question is given x is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus square root of a square minus b square upon square root of a square plus b square minus square root of a square minus b square using componendo and dividendo to prove that b square is equal to 2a square x upon x square plus 1. Here in this question it has been given that you have to use componendo and dividendo, right? This x is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus square root of a square minus b square upon square root of a square plus b square minus square root of a square minus b square, right? By componendo and dividendo, right? Here the denominator is not given. You can write down the denominator as 1, right? Now you are going to apply componendo and dividendo, that is this plus this, x plus 1 upon this minus this, that is x minus 1. Similarly, right hand side, this plus this upon this minus this. This x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Here I have removed the brackets. I did not change any sign in the numerator, but I have changed the sign of these two terms in that denominator because there is a minus sign before this bracket. Now these two terms will cancel out from the numerator and these two terms will cancel out from the denominator. Now I am left with x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to, these are like terms, twice of square root of a square plus b square upon, these are like terms, right? Twice of square root of a square minus b square. This 2 cancels this 2, and x plus 1 upon x minus 1, it is equal to square root of a square plus b square upon square root of a square minus b square. Now on squaring both sides, this x plus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square, it is equal to square root of a square plus b square upon square root of a square minus b square whole square. This x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square is equal to this a square plus b square upon a square minus b square. Now you can see that the terms in the numerator and denominator are same, and the sign between them in the numerator is positive and the sign between them in the denominator is negative. So again you can apply componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo, this x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square upon x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square, it is equal to a square plus b square plus a square minus b square upon a square plus b square minus a square minus b square. Now I am going to expand these brackets, right? A plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. You know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? This first square, that is x square, plus second square 1 plus 2 into first and second, 2 into x into 1, that is 2x. Similarly, x minus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x upon this x square plus 1 plus 2x minus this x square plus 1 minus 2x. And here I am going to remove the brackets. This a square plus b square plus a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. Change the signs. Minus a square plus b square. These two terms will cancel out from the numerator and these two terms will cancel out from the denominator. Now I am going to remove these brackets, right? This x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x upon x square plus 1 plus 2x, and change these signs which are inside the bracket. Minus x square minus 1 plus 2x, it is equal to this a square, these are like terms, you can add 2a square. These are like terms, you can add b square, that is 2b square, this 2 cancels this 2, right? And here 2x minus 2x and x square minus x square plus 1 minus 1, this x square, these are like terms, you can add 2x square plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 upon 2x, these are like terms. You can add this 4x, it is equal to a square upon b square. Now take out 2 as a common factor. Inside the bracket you will get this x square plus 1 upon 4x, it is equal to a square upon b square. This 2 cancels this 4 2 times. Now we are left with x square plus 1 upon 2x is equal to a square upon b square. Now pay attention over here that no need to disturb this term x square plus 1, because we have to prove that b square is equal to 2a square x upon x square plus 1. So no need to disturb this term, right? Now by cross multiplying, you will get this b square into this x square plus 1 and this a square into 2x. This b square into x square plus 1, it is equal to 2a square x. Now this b square, it is equal to 2a square x upon, I am shifting this term to RHS, that is x square plus 1. This was the required result. Thank you.